Kublai P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ka Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta kasngi Shillong. Play program hikai maramot tiar elektrik ka Donbosco Technical School. Yo kinon teaching SSA R% ka seniority pay but 1% ka increment. Lapli ya umat sa akan mau Dr. Friday Wellingroy Hanongjeri Presbyterian School. Ban Kwa Hydro Project Peit ba kasnong kenchi. Tomantang niya phai shiki Khubor ke bakamnya. Ka Donbosco Technical School DBTS Shillong kala sedang ya ka program pule bathamai electrical appliances repairing ban maramot ekitiar elektrik ki baju pendon kam man kasngi man kapor haki yeng kisam ya kene ke jing hikai bajing pule bathamai balajer kerteng raising and accelerating MSME program ramp bala kershan da katanat penroy ke sarkar India bat sarkar Meghalaya ha jing Peit jangka Ministry of Small Micro Enterprises MSME Lapli ya kini katanat puli bathamai haka arpau tarik Nailar da katanat khayi pateng Commerce and Industries jangka sarkar Meghalaya Donbosco Technical School la jamkra. Kani kajing puli kalong kabalengkot tangkumba khatsan singi. Kajing thmu kalong ban penkup yaki Samla yaki sab bat ki jingtip ban maramot yaki tiar elektrik ki ba ki longyeng longsem ki pendon kam man kasngi bat man kapor. Ki Samla ki bala syahi kai klempep kin yo kam haki dukan de tiar elektrik, haki karkhana batkin pliru yaki dukan maramot tiar hasnong hathau. Kani kajing puli kan plilad yaki Samla naribhoy bat East Khasi Hills. Ha kajing elang pli yakani ka program bathamai ladran lang u Reverend Padar Shining Dekar Principal DBTS u Akash Deep Das Senior Consultant Ramp ba Chesterfield Lingdo, Assistant Director, Commerce and Industries, Baduba Alwin Fankan, Functional Manager, Commerce and Industries, Kinong Hikai Bat Samla Pule ka DBTS.
Performance, and it's a World Bank funded initiative led by the government, led by the Ministry of MSME, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, as a COVID strengthening and recovery program for the MSMEs throughout Pan-India. Now, this course is a key part of the raising and accelerating MSME performance. Led by the Ministry of MSME, our aim is to equip MSMEs in Meghalaya with the skill and knowledge needed to thrive in the electrical appliances sector, which has great potential in our state. Now, we all know MSMEs are the backbone of any economy, be it Meghalaya or be it any other state. And driving employment, innovation and local development, MSMEs has been giving the support to run any state. And by focusing on this skill development in area like electrical appliances, we are creating an opportunity for the entrepreneurship and a market growth. Now I would like to extend my earnest request to the participants that this course is your chance to enhance your skills, learn from the experts and connect with like-minded peers. You will gain valuable knowledge that will help you succeed locally and also nationally. I encourage you to fully engage and ask questions and apply what you learn in the field. In conclusion, I want to reaffirm the Commerce and Industries Department's commitment to support the MSME sector in Meghalaya. With the right skills and support, our entrepreneurs can achieve great success, and I wish you all a productive and enriching experience in this course. Let's work together to make this program a success and create a brighter future to the MSMEs of the
Hadin ba ka Education Department kalaray ban kentiu R% ka tulop ya kinong trey ki bala kamrim bat 1% ban kentiu tulop increment man kasnem kinong yalam ka senjuk nong trey bamdei kinong hikai haki school SSA kila hunjrut bat kila menjur ban sange no ya ka jingya ki syong kalan mongor bat kibe no shalaki kam ki jam kumba Jylla man kasngi kiwe pat ki jing dawa jong kanega kunhun nong trey en sapet Bishar benia badrai daka Rationalization Committee bayalam da Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary. Uba BJ Kharshandi, Deputy Secretary, ula pentip yakane karai jangka sorkar, Shakakong Jennifer Sindram, President Kinong Tray SSA, haka arpau tarik Nailar. Markumta la penkut no yaka jingyaki mentahi kasngi. Nakaliang jangka seng kita Kinong Tray kala ai kublai kerpang, yaka Malki Sports Club kabala ai yaka madan bakin penlong yaka jingyaki badru yaka dor bar shnong Malki. Bat nakaliang jangki mentakasngi kila weng no yaka jingyaki.
Officers ru ding ai kublai ningkong ning shap ru ya u Chief Minister badon brom jungi namar bula ai kata kalat bon shna ya kanika committee ke bang Rationalization Committee namar ya kanika committee hi kan yai im but hadin sans nem ngin saya kendu lang ngimar balai lada kemdan kanika committee ru inginum yo ek ni ting dawa jungi na lor jungi ni ting dawa jungi ngila yo pada saka EPFO ngila explore possibility bangin yo eka EPF ke jongi ke bangin na preng jongi siteng staff ki bayo ya katulo ngimpat juyo EPF kena kata kedau ki ong bangin ni ay ke EPF kalong kum ka security yang imo tenang ta pade na lor ngin yo sakya ngin la ban categorizing hi haka MHIS ke bating ting hi ha ban yang lan go jrong mo bang ting ting ni la ngo ban num that ban ni em tu na mangim la ban ni yang lain man kasi kabdaw kolong bang ngibun ka kam ka jam jungi kin sadon special consideration sa nang tap de kibun kiwe de ki bang ngihap ban du nrei mentang ilasdang man yu ling ba jung ka Rationalization Committee ke jungi te insungu ya isa commissioner jungi isa Vijay Kumar Mantri ru iba penlong successful ya ka committee but mentang ilai hundut ek jing ai ke jong ka committee but ru ngisungu is Swapnil Timbe ba the state project director jungi bakloy menginya trei kamlang rengkat nang ni syakmat ru idang ong menginya trei rengkat ban penbit biang ya kan ka committee ke jongi ho ngila yo na jing ko na under secretary jongi but kata ada state project director jongi tinggi layo ya kata kila share di commissioner secretary but the state project director yangi haki WhatsApp message ki jongi but ya ka hard copy ngidang up menta
ika papaloi ka sarkar bakan penslam ban ai kan jina wajah ti hadu arpoi sngi ba prishong banyaki
namar kade ke jimbang hun na preng nangi namar ke don kintiat kan sa rum ram namar ban penbet ya ka kam ke balarim kade ke be tang hapering aku isi ni don kam kata live night kata bunai nrei hak dek arpui si pendap kalong ke be kena kata kedau kan sakelan kan sa jenjar hadu kan ni ru kadai namar belai ni haban penya biang ke boong ngamo don ki block level ki ba staff ki ba yo tang minimal living wage tu ki yo prahaja shuhoja kam kot kena kata kedau ikwa ban penringkat hakan ni Rationalization Committee pada ngila penringkat don kita belah he katulop ngila penringkat no ngila
Kumshi benta bansa kan mau ya kajing ai ngobha ya kajaka da kalong yeng jong uba Welling Roy Jerwa bat teman basan Dr. Friday Lingdo bam kwai hadwaru blai bala long teng menteri sorkar jong ka sorkar Jylla bante ya ka yeng school jong ka Nongjeri Presbyterian Secondary School nakaliang Khubor penya jong ka nika school haka arphau tarik Nailar kila pli pat ba ya umot sa kan mau ya kini arngut kirang ba basbun mensem hakmat phalau jong ka nika school Banyau tang lengkot, kajing shna bar kajing tei ya uni umot saken mau, la pendap da ka school bar kabalang Presbyterian kum kajing sengungu, jing burom bat jing kan mau, tempang ya kini ki arngut ki riu sebun mensem na kabenta kilong din jong kani kathan. Ya uni umot saken mau la plepat ba ada Dr. Didi Lapang, Menteri Rangba Barim Kesor Khuborjylla, Bad U Advisor Bamenta Jong Kesor Khuborjylla, Kumu Kongsan, Hakajing dan Lang Uba Charles Marngar, MLA Bad MDC Mauhati, Bad U Chairman ke School Managing Committee, Pak James Bonjana, Chairman Nongjeri Pelun, Teman Basan WB Malik, Bak B Kersian, Sekretari SMC, Ki Bahying Hasem Uba Welling Roy Jerwa, Bad Dr. Friday Lingdo, Ki Nong Hikai Bad Ki Kena School, Lem Bad Ki Long Kemilong Kepa, NAKA Nekashnong.
Kenal bagajing persang jongi penung school ni Shillong jeri labor kom ingre ingin penit kisah ingin don kijaka kalau musitau ingre bangi perhat kata Khubor mengamal ba Friday dong ni isim nangka gajing dong gajing jong ba Friday bagi para kami bisa yang pangpot, bajar lama ya kumta bagi sensa senai korpor sutil dan musim ini. Jadi nasio bapa yang pun cuma musim berpindah keslop sekretarinya haying nono jadi tentang kau kata kalau kajing fan ban syakri. Dan harga juga tak, maka dia pun kam harga wan kita kila baru hal sempurna. Dan persamaan untuk itu adalah dan kam juga dijadi boleh. Kalau debelnya, temperan debelnya, dengan khasi debelnya, jika kaum berok ini keren ada bagi Rasul Gesur, yang kaya yang mafraya lenggo kalau pembersih ban syakri. Di mana ban Charles mialai ban yang bersulok yaki ban ayok Khubor betul ni mialai ban ikan ulang. Meghalaya itu ke pilot tijoran tuye kedua itu kedua Friday dengan kapan dan Peit itu keter ada ke ya pun kita baksila mundur ban ai ya kejaka NAKA masih school. Waktu malaikat mana kini dor gamur kene kata menang pemurti kata tahu apa musim sekali. Kalau mau bajur haru kata baru sumbai bakilah bet. Ulami baru ulangan ni. Bangai kawi kawa. Itu nak kene longi dalam bah. Iton ke musim jong kejing sekali. Kejing sekali. Lahakan orang berdua. Jika ikan kamar tu, kalau milih beliau kerjakan berpenyeng ke sekolah, apa yang ke sekolah, milih beliau yang dinohikai, angkat milih beliau yang dikesan terter di bawah. Yang apa kita, ada yang Shillong bosin, baru Charles Marngar, Syakir Marngar, lalu udangren. Kalau kembali paju, angka sekali kita terter, tinggal di bersama profesional membahas di rumah dong, untuk di multiplication.
Kaken hun kirang ba nasionong kenshi hakajing lam uba zandi merthong. Kilaya kendo ya menteri ki kam boarding elektrik 80 mondal ban wajing mud la Kesor Khuborjylla kadang penim nekalarai penwai ya ka kenshi hydro power project kabalaya soi soskular bat hadin la wengno yaka. Menteri ki kam boarding ulaya thu. Kani ka project kadang bat Kesor Khuborjylla kadang wa de ki company bat tibet bat bala ban shania ban trei ya kani ka project. Ula ongru Kesor Khuborjylla kadang penim ya kani ka project bat kandang shimpor ban pentrei kam yaka. Uba zandi merthong bat kakun hun jong u kila kerpa de Kesor Khuborjylla da ka boong. Ngidang up kmi lenti ya kani ka project ban mi perthei no kam kloi ha kani Kesor Khuborjylla jong menteri rangba Konrad ke sangma.
Rekat hadu menta namar makani ka kahun go jungi ngidon ki langmasno jong gitu ki cakap kepada baca kita ngidon ki NGO ki asu ngidon lang makani ka i Samla ngidon lengkap bani kitra jakar ngidon lengkap lang bani pangila form yang ni komti hak kita kedua ya kapasa ngam tip kan lo kumnon ya menta kemudian kam lo 100% dengan tip ba mdon percaya kan ni nak yang jongka ngira assure ya minister ba ni assure ba omdon percaya ni project ladakan ni project kalau jengger ku yang ni kim percaya relasi wanteng kim yo ai kemudian kata tinggi hapan keren ya menta kemudian kat bang ni suatu nama kirang pak snong ke jidon perni nang tak kilan pun arbor fagi kita jaga kepada masyarakat kita gidon hakan ni komiti ya menta kemudian ba isu pakam don kecik percaya ni pa kipai pa lai de pembalak thaj ban ya kan ka cipet Islam ke nama panadu ajar niyo namudur awan trade awan survey hatu bor perkap ba tang cikosan tang hasnam ada pun projek lamong jingku Rehadir kan tu lah sujak lah kerja. Tapi nak kalian macam itu apa? Latakan jaya kemudian kue kepor bangi dengan kuat shoot. Bantu kemudian ti mio kehapakur kemudian bagi teraja kaki lah orang syahi. Balatan jaya longkum ni kemudian bakal pakai ni kuat projek shoot. Mamuntoy ayu shoot penbeach. Hapakur kemudian teman bangi batang Samla kemudian akut projek kampan. Kemudian pak kampus ke. Yang mentah deh. Kimdon kecil percaya lagi teraja kaki.
Today I met one group of people from Kinshi area belonging to South West Kashi Hills, and they came and gave representation regarding the present status of Kinshi power project. So I told them as of now nothing is there, but we are working vigorously to see that some power project comes into the Kinshi basin. And I am very happy that they promised that whatever cooperation is required, they will be extended. There was a fruitful discussion. We are looking forward to see that some power project comes into the basin.
So with this power situation in Meghalaya, do you feel that there is a need to revive all the power projects which are pending for years and MOUs were scrapped earlier, sir?
No, see, all power projects are till now it is that not like that. We have scrapped all the power projects. It is not like that. We have scrapped the MOU with some parties because they were not showing any sign of initiating the project. So it was there just hanging like that. We scrapped that one to facilitate to see that some new entity comes and take up the power project. It is not that we have scrapped the power project itself.
So for now, which are the companies that you are looking forward? Have you already looked for somebody to start the Kinshi project?
We are as of now engaged with only central public sector units.
Daga jingkemen kakur nongrang habri hunyau trap hak arphau terik Nailar kalapan Khuborjylla kerpang ya kakong ida shisha nongrang kalong kemi baningkong jong Jylla ban Peit ban bat ya kakerdan Director General of Police DGP jong Jylla. Ya kani gajing pen Khuborjylla lapan long Hatirat Singh Memorial Hall pendeng yong mairang. Kumban pen kenmau kakong ida shisha nongrang IPS jong usnem kat kendai sepak kendai puar hak arphau terik jemang hajar arpusau kalong kemi ke ban ningkong ban shimti ya ke lengkor jang ke office DGP ke Jylla Meghalaya kani ka kerdan kalong ka nuksa ya ki khun Samla kenthei bat chenrang hakani ka program pen Khuborjylla lawan senran lang u Superintendent of Police ke district ba Maxwell BCM ASP ki pulit jang ke district u Chief Advisor ka kur nongrang ba artis nongrang u Secretary ba Jasmine nongrang ki dekhot jong ka sengkur ki longkemi ki kini bar ki khun Samla jong ka kur nongrang lapun phu pen phieng ya kani ka program da ki jing rwai ba jing shat da ki khun Samla jong ki tenat kur na ki shnong ba pher
Kamu tak kasih dengan anu poin ram tak kasih. Dan apa yang kani jinglang jungi yang dalam ni punta ngala babi kelas sisa bang klub bani indan lang bani menta. Hapo Khubor mencuanya dan sangat separa mentanya saat tenglaingon. Ihman kentai jonga idon sa Amerika. Ila onge nga ban ai kublay kerpang ya pibro. Yung wala ni pajia kendo ngiyo kanikal habang iyo kala bani tu kakur yung subhasi ban ai kublay yang nakal yang jui. I badeng parat kila yaklat imei par yung ngimiron syu. Tangba ngangi skem makiru kiadan lang bani hangi mentang. Khubor menshwa por mikran image pangkakur jungi iong kidon kan kita ki benar support West Khasi Hills kidon kita ki mengat ini tatung gajing tip jungi iong berbe tu khana mi temen iong ba kidon ni iong alastai sajaitia tangim tikina hakanu kapor hakanu ka cap bakumno ya point don sini tiga nak li iong kumno haba iong kidon kita hapo support West Khasi Hills sampai sa West ni iong kuno apa mengingipan yang poin sejam yang petang baju beli menganam tep ayat tu ia pita ke air bang tep timentang hakani ke por bengi alum lang kune aku aban request yaki nongkin kam joko kurang orang ke beli new trap dan subha ban iwan yit kita ki record se kita ki jing itu khana bala ya pateng si pateng pakumno ni ko kurang orang ilami pakumno ya sabta kan kan ni bengidan ngan tip mentah bengidan hadu khatway unit bat kumayo mama artas ngi ben penmi susu ki unit ki bon hapo kan ka sabi new trap chungi ngamdon sibun man kren hakini por kwatu ai sasisi ban ai kublish speech
Kajing thau yaki CNRD block kadai ka kam ka bayai beteng. Kamut batang namar balapan kha CNRD block bathamai hakisnem baladam ka sorkar Jylla kamna shu bantau samanta usnem. Habaya kran shakilat pathai Khubor haka arphau tarik Nailar hajar arphusau. Menteri Peit Yakatanat CNRD U80 Mondal ulapan pau halor ka jingdawa ka Khasi Students Union KSU South Semper Circle Balat Border Area Circle Batlau Bak Border Area kila dawa bat kila penlongru da ka jingya ki haka shipau tarik naitung bandawa kentiu ya ka Mausen Ram CNRD Block shaka Civil Subdivision. Habakran shikila pathai Khubor Mondal ulaong Kajing thau yaki CNRD block thamai ni kentiu yaki block shaki Civil Subdivision kadai nagabanta ban pensuk yaki pat ba ban poi shaki Administrative Unit nagabanta ki kam bakerki. Umondal ulaong baka sorkar kahaban bishar benia bha yaki jingdan kam haswa ban kentiu kerdan yaki CNRD block shaki Civil Subdivision.
To tell you very straightforward, we have engaged an IIT for giving us the technical feasibility for allowing the vehicles passing through the bridge, and we are exactly doing what they have told us.
So sir, till when this bridge will be like that, means a restriction will be there?
This bridge restriction will be there, it is going to stay for quite long. Because with time, the condition of bridge will deteriorate more. So how can we expect that the ban will be lifted for heavy vehicles?
Then what's the use of having ISBT?
See, that is a different issue. It doesn't mean that ISBT will be not utilized in near future. Government is engaged to see an alternative route. Now, why we are not allowing through the bridge? Because the dam condition also we got to look into, and so also the bridge condition. And as per our consultant, they told that no vehicle more than 9 metric ton should be allowed through the bridge. That's why we are restricting that one. Say suppose today we allow and something happens, then what happens? Then you will only tell that why government did not follow the directives of the consultant. It's not that purposefully we are restricting the vehicle, no. And as you told ISBT, see, ISBT will serve its purpose. Maybe it will require sometimes to get an alternative route, for which government has engaged some consultant also, and they are working on to see that an alternative route is made so that all types of vehicle can come to Shillong.
Any time frame to given to them, sir?
That you will have to get in touch with the concerned department.
Badak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syagabakun tarhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.